How did I get into this business? Well, I've been a Florida boy all my life, growing up in the DeLand area. I've lived here through multiple hurricanes, including Andrew in 1992, the 2004 season with Charlie, Francis, Gene, and then Ivan, and then Hurricane Wilma the next year. In the past couple of years, we've had Matthew and then Irma. I can remember the firestorms of 1998 and the impact on the entire state of Florida. Also remember that Florida is ranked third in the nation in the number of tornadoes every year. We live in a place with great weather, beaches, and fantastic attractions. However, it has a history of many natural disasters. Anytime one of these happens, many homeowners and business owners find out the same thing. They didn't have enough insurance coverage on their property to make them whole again after the loss. Almost every time this happens, a property owner thought they had enough insurance coverage in order to completely rebuild their structure, only to find out from the insurance adjuster that they simply did not have enough insurance coverage. I've seen this affect the lives firsthand on families and businesses throughout the state. Families who did not have enough insurance coverage to rebuild and make them whole again after a catastrophe. We're not insurance agents. We don't sell insurance or recommend the types of insurance policies. What we do is inspect your property and report what the cost would be to rebuild the building, whether it's a home or commercial structure. We work very, very closely with insurance professionals and financial advisors to make sure that property owners have the correct amount of insurance coverage to protect their investment. It's important to make us a part of your team when you're insuring your property. Things that we're taking into consideration are not only the cost of rebuilding the structure, but also how much it would cost to actually remove all the debris and clean up the area after the loss. The process that we go through goes right down to the zip code level and looking at the cost of the materials and the labor. We even look at how accessible the property is in order to take into consideration getting in construction equipment and materials to the site. In years past, this service was available, but it was very pricey. Most people just couldn't afford to have it done. However, now, Expert Inspectors is able to offer complete replacement valuation inspections and reports for most homes and commercial properties for as cheap as $175. Hi, I'm Dave Kolodzik. I'm with Expert Insurance Valuations. I've been an insurance replacement valuation specialist for over a decade. I'm also a professional property claims adjuster, so I've seen what happens to property owners who don't have the correct amount of insurance coverage. Imagine how stressful it would be to have your home or business destroyed by a hurricane, tornado, fire, or flood. Now imagine being told by the insurance adjuster that your insurance policy, which you have been paying on faithfully for years, does not have enough coverage to cover your loss. This happens more times than you think. Time and time again, hardworking people like yourselves are being told they don't have enough insurance coverage to rebuild after a major loss. Reports have constantly shown that the majority of homes and commercial buildings are horribly underinsured. The odds are that yours are one of them. 64% of homes are underinsured by an average of 27%. Some homes are underinsured by 60% or even more. Take a close look at your insurance policy. It doesn't say it will replace or repair your home or business, whatever the cost. It has a set maximum and it will pay no more. If your policy says it'll pay up to $235,000, that's all it'll pay. If it costs $300,000 to replace your home or business, the extra $65,000 comes out of your pocket. Insurance agents are trained professionals in providing their customers with the insurance policy that best suits their needs. However, most are not trained in what the cost would be to clear off the debris and rebuild the structure after a loss. The only way to make sure you have enough insurance coverage is to have a professional insurance replacement valuation conducted on your property. Expert inspectors will send a certified replacement valuation specialist to your home or commercial building to conduct a professional and thorough inspection. We'll then produce a detailed report what the cost would be to replace your building. This report will then be sent to you as the property owner and to your insurance agent to make sure you have the proper insurance coverage to protect yourself in the event of a major loss. These type of insurance valuations have been around for many years. The problem has been that they were very expensive. Most people just could not afford them. Expert Inspectors is now able to conduct a complete inspection on your property and produce a detailed insurance valuation report at a price that nearly anyone can afford. By making sure that you have the proper amount of insurance coverage, you won't have the added stress of not being able to rebuild after your loss. Our inspectors and myself have conducted literally thousands of insurance inspections and valuations over the years, helping out Florida property owners. We can help you too. Call us so we can assist you and your insurance agent in making sure your property has enough protection.